Hey mates, welcome back to virt Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to run Tails OS in virt-manager on Linux Mint with persistent storage working. This is only lab demo setup for real privacy sensitive usage. Boot Tails from physical USB. And to save you from my broken English, I'll keep most of the video text only and go straight to the point. Alright, let's begin. Update the system and install virt-manager with the required dependencies. Add your user to libvirt and QEMU group. Then log out and log in, or just reboot. Download the Tails OS USB image, not the ISO file, and verified it on the Tails website. Copy the Tails image to the libvirt image folder. Resize the image to 16 GB. You can use 32 GB, 64 GB, or more if you want more persistent storage space. Set the correct ownership and permission for the image file. Create the virtual machine from the terminal. In this example, I use 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores, but you can adjust this depending on your system. The virtual machine may start automatically, so shut it down before changing the setting. In the virt-manager GUI, check the disk settings. It should be disk bus USB, removable enable, read-only disable, shareable disable. In boot options, make sure the USB disk is first in the boot order. Alright, start the virtual machine. Tails OS should now boot. Create persistent storage and choose strong password. Let's check briefly that all connected and there is internet access. Open the persistent folder, create a test file and save it. Now let's restart Tails. Unlock the persistent storage. And check that the file is still there. Alright, persistent storage is working. Now, if you want to remove the lab virtual machine, shut it down, undefine it, and delete the image file using the cleanup command shown on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.